Expressions containing rational exponents like 25 to the 1/2 power or 8 to the 1/3 power are defined in a manner that ensures that the laws of exponents still hold. If we have a to the 1 over n, it means the same as taking the nth root of a. So using this principle, in place of 25 to the 1/2 power, this would be an index of 2 on a radical of 25. Having an index of 2 is understood that we're taking the square root of 25. These are equivalent expressions. And the square root of 25, a number times itself that equals 25, would simplify to 5. In this next example, 8 to the 1/3 power can be expressed as an index of 3 on a radical having a radicand of 8. In other words, the cube root of 8 is equal to 8 to the 1/3. What number, when cubed, is equal to 8 is 2 to the 3rd power is equal to 8, so that the cube root of 2 to the 3rd, or 8, results in a value of 2. In this next example, we have the base, negative 27 to the 1/3 power, which translates from this exponential form into the radical form of an index of 3 on our radical of negative 27. Here we're taking an odd root of a negative number, which we can do. Negative 27 has a number when raised to the 3rd power is equal to negative 27, and that number is negative 3. A negative number raised to an odd power is still negative, and 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. To finish this and simplify one more step, the cube root then of negative 3 to the 3rd power results in negative 3.